we're going to work these word problems out, you should probably try them before I show you how to do them. So you might want to pause it, try it. But if you've already done that, here we go. P is the population, and so we want to know when it reaches 1,000. So if I take this formula right here for P, I'm going to put 1,000. Zero two. T. T is the time, and that's what we're solving for. We want to know that's the answer to the question. Okay, so we're going to start by dividing both sides by 500. When you divide both sides by 500, you get this is just 2 equals E 0.02 T. Now we're going to do a rewrite. It's in exponential form. We want to put it in log form. So that means we're going to do, since it's E, we're going to do natural log, right? And remember what's on the other side is what goes with that. So natural log of 2 equals, and then this exponent goes down, 0.02 T. Now before I plug this in my calculator, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that 0.02 by dividing. Remember, you can't divide what's inside of there, so we need to leave it like this. And so to find my answer, I need to do the natural log of 2 divided by 0.02, which equals the time. If you plug this in on your calculator correctly and round it to 3 decimal places, you'll get 34.657, and this was in days. Okay. Now this is basically the same question, right? When will it reach 2,000? So we'll plug that in. Once again, you should probably try this before I work it out. Okay. I'm going to start off the same way. Divide both sides by 500. Okay. Divide by 500, we get 4 equals E to the 0.02 T. Do a rewrite here, so we'll get the natural log of 4 equals 0.02 T. It's a horrible point. Alright, and then divide both sides by 0.02, and we end up with natural log of 4 divided by 0.02, and that is what equals T. This one, if you plug it on your calculator, you get 69.315, and once again, that is days. Okay. You should probably try the last one before I plug it in, but if you've already done that and you want to see the last one, we'll go ahead and do that real quick. This particular question, you can probably read through it, but here's your formula. A sub 0 is your initial amount, which is what it says right here. Okay, so if we start to plug this in, notice it wants to know when it gets to 10 grams, right? So that's the ending amount. All right, 10 there equals the original amount, 100. Okay, and then our formula, the rest of it, E negative 0.0244 T. And once again, we're solving for the time. If I start by dividing both sides by 100, right, we end up with E to the negative 0.0244 T, and that equals 10 divided by 100 is 1/10, or you could just say 0.1. We're going to do a rewrite at this point, so we'll get the natural log. So once again, because it's E, 0.1 equals the exponent, right? So negative 0.0244 T. Divide both sides by this negative 0.0244.
And when you do that, you end up with the natural log of 0.1 divided by negative 0.0244, and this equals your time. This time is in years, right? So when you divide this, natural log of 0.1 divided by negative 0.0244, you end up with 94.368, and that's in years. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. I'll help you out.